Hi, I'm going to be doing lesson 14, reading a level A book. And we have some reading goals that I'd like to go over first. We're going to read with voice print match across one line of text. We're going to use pointing to self-monitor voice print match and locate high frequency words. For phonics and word work, our goals will be to hear the sound at the beginning of a word and match sounds and letters at the beginning of a word. So let's begin with some phonics and word work. The principle that we're going to learn today is that you can say a word slowly and hear the sound at the beginning of a word. You can match the sound and the letter at the beginning of a word. And right here beside me, I have some pictures, and we're going to listen to the words for the pictures to decide what letter we hear at the beginning of each word. First, I have a basket. So say the word basket with me slowly. Basket, basket. What letter do we hear at the beginning? Well, I hear the sound b. So what letter says b? Letter B. All right, how about doll? D, doll. I hear a d sound. The letter D makes a d sound. Now I have a feather. Feather. What letter says f? That's right. Letter F. How about horse? Horse. What letter makes the sound? That's right. Letter H. How about kangaroo? Kangaroo. That is letter K. Penguin. Penguin. What letter makes a p sound? All right, letter P. And finally, I have a rope. Rope. What letter makes a r sound? All right, letter R. Wonderful. So now we're going to move into our text for today. And in this text, we're going to have some high frequency words or our sight words. This is the first sight word we're going to see. What letter or what word is this? Sorry, this is I. It means I'm talking about myself. I am Ms. Torres. What is this word here? See. Very good. See means to look. What is this high frequency word? The. Excellent, like the book. And finally, this is the last word we'll see. My. Very good, like my name. So let's take a look at our book today, On the Way to School. Now, in this book, we're going to talk about this little boy here, and he's going to tell us lots of things that he sees on his way to school. Okay, so we're going to start with a picture walk to see what the pictures are showing us. So we see our title page. Again, it says, On the Way to School. What do we see in this first picture here? That's right, we see a sign. Excellent. What's in this picture? A bus. Wonderful. Who would this be inside the bus? That's right, that's the driver. Next. Excellent, you see children. And in this picture, oh, where's he going on this bus? That's right, the school. And this is outside the school. Yep, that's his playground. Good. And in this picture, you see the door. And finally, oh, who is this sitting right here in the chair teaching the class? Awesome, his teacher. So we're going to use these pictures to help us read the words. And we're going to see how the pictures match the text. So here's the first picture. Remember, this is a picture of a sign. When we come over here and use our pointer fingers, we're going to match the words to our voice as we speak. Every time we speak, we'll move our finger to the next word. I see the sign. Remember, here's our bus. I see the bus. Here's the driver. I see the driver. And now we have the children on the bus. I see the children. Bus brought them to school. I see the school. And here's the playground. I see the playground. To get into the school, we have to go through the door. I see the door. Now pay attention to these sight words because now one of them changes. I see my teacher. Awesome. Now it's going to be your turn to read out loud. I'm going to hold the book and point to the words, and it will be your turn to read out loud. So the title of our story, say it with me, is On the Way to School. So now you're going to read to me all these things that this little boy sees on his way to school. Ready? Begin. Excellent job. Excellent. So I want you to think as we wrap up today, do you see some of these things on your way to school? What do you see that's the same? What's different? Do you see things that the little boy didn't see? Talk about this with your friends and family. Bye. We'll see you for the next story.